So this exercise is going to be all about not using the mouse at all. It's all about keyboard shortcuts. Um, so something you should understand. So the numeric keyboard is the numbers on your far right side of your QWERTY keyboard. It's the 9 keys on the far right. So look at your screen, and you can see that each layer has a layer number. If I want to select layer 1, I just need to press 1. If I want to select numeric 1, that's the one over there on the far right. If I want to select layer 6, I just type a 6. If I want to select layer 10, I have to do quickly 1 0. If I want to select 17, 1 7. Okay? So that's how you select layers. Remember, if you want to go to the in point, it's I. It moves the playhead to the beginning of the selected layer. Out point goes to the O. Right? All right. So here we go. I'm going to select any random number of these photos. So that layer number. So for me, I'm going to choose 9. So with that layer selected, if it's not started in the beginning, I want it to start at the beginning. So to move my playhead to the beginning, I press home, and then to make sure let's pretend like it starts over here for some reason. If I want to move the left edge to where the playhead is, I'm going to press left square bracket. All right. So I want this photo to match this audio. So now, without using my mouse, this audio is layer 12, right? So I'm going to press numeric 12. To go to the out point is O. Now I'm going to go back to layer 9. To trim the right edge to get to that point would be option right square bracket. Okay? So now I'm going to select another random photo layer number. I'm going to choose 5 as an example. And I want the left edge to start there. So left, option, or just left square bracket because it's a photo. Okay? So now I want it to end. I want it to end here. To select this layer, I have to select layer 13. Go to the out point, O. Go back to layer 5 for me. Different layer for you. To trim the right edge is option right square bracket. Now before we get any further, it would make more sense if we put this photo near this layer and this photo next to this audio. So again, with no keyboard, with no mouse, let's do this with absolutely no mouse. So I want to have basically double layered stair step all the way down. Okay, so I'm going to take, for me, it's the first audio layer. It's layer 12 for me, so that's numeric 12. And I want to shift it all the way to the top. Now I could do it manually, one layer at a time, which is command right square bracket will shift it up one layer at a time, or command left square bracket will bring it down. But if you add in a shift key, command shift right square bracket, it actually puts it all the way to the top. Or if you want it all the way down to the bottom, it's command shift left square bracket. Now it puts it all the way down to the bottom. So I am going to go command shift right square bracket to put it at the top. Now I'm going to select the layer, the matching layer number for that particular audio. So for me, that's this layer, which is 10. So 10. Now I'm going to shift it up. And I want the photo layer to be above the audio layer. So in this case, it's going to go all the way to the top. Command shift right square bracket. Okay. Then the next layer should be the audio layer, the next audio layer, which would be this one. So for me, it's 13. So numeric 13 selects that. Now I'm going to just go command right square bracket to bring it up one layer at a time. Boom, boom, boom. And then the matching photo that goes with it should go above it. So that's layer 8 for me. Right? So command So now I'm going to keep going. The next audio is this one here. So that's 14. So 1, 4, select it. And then, go to the in point. If I'm not there, I go to the in point. Now select a random photo number. I'm going to do this layer. Trim it down. So start the left edge is left square bracket. Then go back to the audio layer, which is 14. Select the out point, O. Go back to the photo layer, which is, for me, this one. And then set the right edge, which is option right square bracket. Now shift it up. It's command right square bracket. And select the other audio layer, the matching one, and shift it up. Command right square bracket. And so on and so on. So in the end, you're going to have a double layer: photo, audio, staircase, photo, audio, photo, audio, photo, audio, all the way down the line. Okay? Using only keyboard shortcuts. Don't use the mouse. Try to practice it with the keyboard shortcuts, because the only way you're going to get good with it is to use the keyboard shortcuts. So I'll just do mine, and I'll see you in the next one.